This year, the weather is sunny, so sugarcane growing areas that benefit from rainwater have low yields, but in areas with stable irrigation water, the yield can be up to 100 tons/ha. On average, this year's sugarcane productivity is not equal to last year's. In return, the sugarcane price purchased by the factory is about 30,000 VND/ton higher than last year. Therefore, sugarcane growers still make a profit. Pumping water from our sugarcane is a little better, losing 25% more than last year. The cost is also higher than last year due to higher water pumping. In drought, the amount of manure we put down is also less absorbable. In the 2023 to 2024 sugarcane crop, KCP Sugar Factory purchases raw sugarcane from farmers at a price of 1.33 million VND/ton of sugarcane in the field when it reaches 10 words of sugar. It is expected that two factories in Sunhoa and Dongxian districts will press about 1.3 million tons of sugarcane, producing 130,000 tons of sugar. In this case, KCP continues to have preferential investment policies such as non-refundable support for new planting, irrigation systems, mechanization and interest rate exemption, for farmers, estimated at about 60 billion VND. At the same time, the factory also supports farmers in applying mechanization to improve crop efficiency. Thanks to that, sugarcane maintains productivity at over 80 tons/ha. The economic life of many families becomes better. The people who have land benefit a lot. The KCP factory invests very generously. The factory also gives 5 to 6 million from the day the KCP factory came here to develop. People love the sugarcane very much, very effective. In the 2023 to 2024 sugarcane crop, the entire province grows 24,840 hectares of sugarcane, concentrated in the districts of Songhin, Sunhoa, Fuhoa, Dongxian, Taihoa, Tai'an and Songkatown. Compared to the previous crop year, the sugarcane area in this crop year increased by 2,728 hectares. However, currently it is the peak sugarcane harvesting season in the Central Highlands provinces, so most workers focus on working far away. Finding workers to harvest sugarcane in localities in the province facing many difficulties and costs. Production is inflated. This year a lot of workers go to work far away. Gialai, Doklak, people cut up there first so they can't keep up with the factory's progress. Up there, people follow the gourd to cut all the sugarcane output before returning. Coming here will be after Tet. In recent crop years, sugar factories have focused on linking production with farmers to ensure a stable and sustainable supply of raw materials, and sugarcane purchasing prices from the factories are also relatively good, so farmers people trust and focus on investing and developing raw material areas. In addition, factories also accompany farmers in applying science and technology in production to increase productivity and quality of sugarcane, ensuring profitable harvests, contributing to sustainable development.